Good morning, Amma.
Good morning.
Yeah. How are you now?
I'm very good
Yeah,
now. How are you?
I am fine, Amma. I am very fine. Uh, can you give a brief introduction about yourself and where you came from and for what purpose you came here?
My name is Ponnammal. I came from, actually, I am from Tamil Nadu, but I went to Melbourne to stay with my daughter. And in between, I went to Canberra, which is capital of Melbourne, to live with my granddaughter. I stayed there for 2 months. The last week of September, suddenly one day, my toe swollen. I was very much worried, and I didn't care about that. So I ignored that because I was to move to Melbourne to my daughter within 3 days. So on 24th of September, I got this, and on 28th, I went to Melbourne. And in Melbourne, she was very much worried seeing my foot, and she took me to the doctor, local doctor, and he also told me it is very serious condition. You have to admit her to the hospital. So he gave me some antibiotics for 2 3 days. There was no change. So I went to the hospital and I was admitted there. And in the hospital, they tested me and they told that more likely it is to be removed. So I was admitted there. One vascular surgeon came and she told me that it is not because of this. There is some problem in your lungs. So properly the blood is not going till the toe. That's why it has happened. But after 2 days, I was discharged and I came back. And after 1 week, again the infection, the foot was swollen. And again I went to a doctor, Indian doctor, and he told me that it has to be removed most probably, and you get her admitted again. So I was admitted again for 2 days, and at that time also the doctors told me it has to be removed, but not in a hurry. You can do it on your own time, take your own time. And by that time, I told them, no, I don't want to remove my toe. I want to take some advice from the Ayurvedic doctor in India. Then they told me, okay, no problem, you can go there and take your time, but it has to be removed. That was their opinion. Then I came back from Melbourne itself. Our not neighbor, he was relative to us. I phoned him and he told me nothing to worry, don't amputate the toe. You come over here, there is a very good doctor here and you can show it to him and it can be cured. 100% you will be satisfied. Then I told my daughter that I will go back to India and there I will show to the doctor. Then Mr. Ramakrishnan, our relative's name was Ramakrishnan. He is in health ministry and he told that Dr. Vikram is there in Bangalore and one more doctor in Dr. Vinay in Delhi. But as the weather is not good in Delhi, I took the Bangalore decision. Then I came here and met Dr. Vikram, who was very kind and humble, and he treated me. And I was very much satisfied with his treatment.
How do you feel, Amma? How is your toe now?
Now, I'm also very, very happy, and Dr. Prasad is also there. Helped me a lot in dressing in Dr. Vikram's absence. I was very much happy. And other staffs also in the hospital.
Thank you so much, Amma, for your kind words.
Thank you.
Also, such cases are there. In diabetes, it's more common now. where arterial occlusion and gangrene formation will be more common in nowadays. This type of cases are increasing day by day. Ultimately, they will end up with the amputation. So, if any patient such, if they are coming to Ayurvedic treatment, definitely up to 90-95% we can save their limbs or whatever the parts where the gangrene is there, that can be saved. And this may become one of the example for the such peoples, and those who are suffering with such people, they are always welcome, and we are here to treat such people, and we can save. Amputation, ultimately amputation is the last decision, but before they go for the amputation, if they come and consult once a year, they can save their limbs. Thank you so much.
One more thing, I will definitely go back to Melbourne and show it to the doctors who told me that it should be removed. And I pray to God for Dr. Achievement and more prosperous in his life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ನನಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಕೂ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೀಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಹೀಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೂ ಅನಿಸ್ತು, ಸುಶ್ರುತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನು ಈ ತರ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕಲಿಯೋದಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಭರವಸೆ ಇದೆ. ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡರ್, ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Very nice and very kind person and very cheerful also. And God bless her with every good things.
ಸರ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸರ್ ಟೀಚು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು ಸರ್ ಇಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
I recommend this hospital for everyone, as Ayurvedic plus allopathic treatment is going on here, and it is a very good hospital, and I recommend them.